Hey everyone, Casey here. New York City, the city that never sleeps, the concrete jungle, the Big Apple, whatever you call it, we all know it's freaking expensive. But don't worry, because today we're diving into the most affordable neighborhoods in New York where you can rent without breaking the bank. We're talking about finding your dream apartment, or at least a decent one, without selling a kidney. Stick with me, let's do this. First up, Inwood. Located at the northern tip of Manhattan, Inwood feels like a world away from the hustle and bustle of downtown. You've got Inwood Hill Park, which is basically this massive green space with hiking trails, historical sites, and amazing views of the Hudson River. Plus, you can find a one-bedroom apartment here for around $1,700 a month. That's unheard of in most of Manhattan. Next, we're heading over the bridge to Bay Ridge, Brooklyn. This place is known for its stunning views of the Verrazano Bridge and its family-friendly vibe. Imagine waking up to that view every morning. And the best part? Rent is super reasonable, with one bedrooms averaging around $1,800 a month. You get those killer bridge views, a chill neighborhood, and you don't have to live on ramen noodles. Win-win. Now, let's head to Sunnyside, Queens. This neighborhood is like a mix of urban and suburban living. You've got tree-lined streets, cute cafes, and a real sense of community. Plus, it's super convenient to get into Manhattan. Rents here are a bit higher than the previous two, but still affordable, with one bedrooms going for around $2,000 a month. Trust me, for the quality of life you get in Sunnyside, that's a steal. Back to Manhattan, we're going uptown to Washington Heights. This neighborhood is bursting with history and culture. You've got the Cloisters Museum, the Morris Jumel Mansion, and tons of amazing Dominican restaurants. Plus, rent is super reasonable, with one bedrooms averaging around $1,750 a month. It's like stepping back in time, but with all the conveniences of modern living. Next up, we're heading back to Brooklyn, to Flatbush. This neighborhood is super diverse, with a vibrant Caribbean community and a ton of great food options. You can find everything from Jamaican jerk chicken to Trinidadian roti, and rent is pretty affordable, with one bedrooms averaging around $1,900 a month. Flatbush is all about energy, community, and amazing food. All right, back to Queens, to Astoria. This neighborhood is known for its amazing nightlife and dining scene. You can find everything from Greek tavernas to trendy cocktail bars. Plus, it's right across the river from Manhattan, so getting into the city is a breeze. Rents here are a bit higher, with one bedrooms averaging around $2,200 a month. But for the nightlife and food options, it's totally worth it. Now let's head back uptown to Harlem. This neighborhood is steeped in history and culture, from the Apollo Theater to the Studio Museum. Plus, you can find some of the best soul food in the city here. Rent is a bit higher than some of the other neighborhoods on this list, with one bedrooms averaging around $2,100 a month. But for the history, culture, and food, it's an amazing place to live. Back to Queens, to Jackson Heights. This neighborhood is known for its incredible diversity and array of ethnic restaurants and shops. You can find everything from Tibetan momos to Colombian arepas. It's like a global village right in the heart of Queens. Rents here are pretty reasonable, with one bedrooms averaging around $1,950 a month. If you're looking for an adventure in food and culture, Jackson Heights is the place to be. Let's head to the Bronx, to Kingsbridge. This neighborhood is often overlooked, but it's a hidden gem. It's got a suburban feel, with tree-lined streets and parks, but it's still close to all the action in Manhattan. Rents here are super affordable, with one bedrooms averaging around $1,700 a month. If you want to escape the craziness of Manhattan but still be close to the city, Kingsbridge is a great option. Finally, we're heading back to Brooklyn, to Sheepshead Bay. This neighborhood is known for its waterfront location and amazing seafood restaurants. You can find everything from fresh oysters to lobster rolls. Plus, it's got a relaxed, beachy vibe. Rents here are pretty reasonable, with one bedrooms averaging around $1,800 a month. If you want to live near the water and enjoy some amazing seafood, Sheepshead Bay is the place to be. So, those are the top 10 affordable neighborhoods in New York where you can find a great apartment without spending too much. Remember, living in New York doesn't have to mean living on instant ramen and sharing a closet-sized bedroom with 5 roommates. There are affordable options out there. You just gotta know where to look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. See you next time.